What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel Flores and welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street. Welcome back to everybody from the ODS squad. If you're not part of it yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos. I talk a lot about men's fashion and men's lifestyle, so if you don't want to miss out, make sure to join the squad. Today, we're going to talk about a brand that I've been a huge fan of since the age of, I think, 13, 14. I fell in love with their classic desert boot, and they're also the sponsor for today's video. Very happy to announce that, Clarks. But today, we're not going to be looking at how to style the classic desert boot. For one, I think all of us have a pair because they're phenomenal. I have 3 pairs. So maybe I should do a video on those too. But today we're looking at these here. The Kessell Craft in Sage Suede with a whip stitch detail. They're beautiful, they're comfortable. The detailing's wonderful, and they're a great balance between casual, because they have the sneaker bottom, and then a really comfortable like suede upper that's very flexible. I already tested these out. I walked around in them and they're phenomenal. So, comfort. I'm gonna put these aside for a second. We'll take a look at the outfit in just a moment. But Clarks had reached out to me for their new campaign where they ask creators to talk about the comfort in their soul. So for one, it's a wordplay, which I love. Love wordplays. Love dad jokes, love wordplays, love terrible jokes, but this is actually pretty good. So, comfort in your soul, soles, shoes, comfort, on point, but also in your soul. And they want creators to talk about their original home, where they feel most comfortable. And you guys know, probably, that I'm originally from Germany, but when it comes to comfort in your soul, I think New York actually has the upper hand. So I want you guys to stick around a little bit longer, because later on I have a cinematic video with a voiceover where I talk a little bit about what New York did to me, how I was obsessed with it and fascinated with it from the very beginning. But I'm getting ahead of myself. For right now, let's take a look at the outfit. So we started off with this Express shirt, and quick break. I want to note that this, especially for the new viewers, this is merely me getting dressed in the morning step by step. The shorts, I want you please to disregard. Although I don't hate them, this is not an outfit suggestion. I just want to remind you guys that I walk around in those at home, and then I actually get dressed step by step so you guys can see how I think about it step by step. Not an outfit suggestion, not at all. But let's keep it moving. So I really love the shirt. It's from Express. I recently picked it up. It's in stores and online right now. It works wonderfully with the colors of the shoes, and it's just nice and fitted. It's a comfortable fabric and a good start, I think, for the outfit. Second up, I grabbed my Design Now X Marcel Flores jacket. You heard that right. I designed that thing. It's a mix between a blazer, a vest, a trucker jacket, kind of a few things. Really stretchy and all about a sleek design with a comfortable fit. So really, really works well with the shoes, and we're staying in an earth tone color range, so that works really well for me too. Next up, we got the Express linen pants in olive green. And we'll break once again, because this is when I noticed I accidentally recreated a look that I included in my spring trend video just recently. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out right there. Click that right there. But yeah, so we're not at the end of the outfit yet though. I really, really like the fit. They're nice and slim. I saw them online, they look phenomenal, and I'm really surprised that they actually fit as well as they did on the model. So, great pants. But I thought they were a bit too dressy for this look, so I went with these, like, bit more washed out olive green chinos from Rag & Bone. Also stretchy and just embodying the essence of the shoe, a bit more casual but comfortable. And I'm really happy with the overall color palette, so I went on to add accessories. Every time I'm in this kind of color range, I usually go for my Triva watch in olive green and brown just to pick up the colors. And then we got 3 different options of shades, all in different brown tones and kind of different silhouettes, different frames. These are from Ryan, and they just look a bit too classic for me, so I disregarded those immediately. These are from Ray-Ban, a bit more fine, a bit more refined. And then lastly, we have these from Ross & Brown with a bit of a thicker frame, which I really like for this look. I actually haven't worn those in so long, really like them. That's the outfit, and I'm very happy with that. So, back to normal. That was the outfit. I hope you guys liked it. It's definitely a bit like almost safari inspired. It goes back to the floral trend that we're seeing. It goes back to the tonal dressing trend that we're seeing. And it's like I have my safari outfit for the concrete jungle that I live in. That is called New York City. And with that, I think we should take a look at a few of my favorite spots here in the city, and just I want to share with you guys a little bit about why I'm here and why I fell in love with New York in the first place. Enjoy. I had already seen a lot of the world, some of its biggest capitals, a variety of cultures, and all sorts of different landmarks. The first time in New York felt different than anything else. The fascination with a place I'd never even been to, an instant feeling of comfort. I had wanted to visit much earlier, but it took me 20 years to come here, and I enjoyed every second of it. Walking around, exploring every corner, falling in love with every last detail of the city. There's something about New York that one can't describe. You have to come and feel it for yourself. An energy that keeps you moving, and a level of acceptance that allows you to truly be yourself, whoever you are. And I think that was the first time I truly felt the comfort in my soul, a feeling of true belonging, my new home. And that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit more of a peek inside me and inside my city, the way I see it and what it means to me. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment down below, please do so. I always read them and I try and get back to as many of them as I can. Once again, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to change that so you don't miss out on any of the videos coming up. Thank you guys so much one more time for watching. I hope to see you soon with the next video, and until then, stay dapper, guys. Bye.